Hi guys, today's video I thought I'd quickly show you how I mulch up the leaves. So I'm using my old Ransoms 36 and it's fitted with predator blades on here, mulch blades. But any mower will do this. So I'm going to show you how to mulch leaves. Sometimes I pick them up, but I just thought it's a good opportunity by here. The grass is quite long. It's coming to the end of the season now. I don't like cutting after October, to be honest though, because of the frost. I like to leave a bit of grass there. So the mower's on full height. Any mower, like a 21 inch, will do this. As long as you've got side discharge, I think they work better because you can blow the leaves about then. So this is how I do it, how to mulch leaves with a mower. I'm using a big-ish mower. Like I said, if you've only got a 21 or even smaller, but if you have got an option of side discharge, just let them blow everywhere and keep going over. A lot of people will have a lot of different ways of mulching leaves, but this is just the way I do it. And I won't go and start over there on the further side, because you're pushing all your leaves then onto another pile here. I try to pull it away to create more room for the next path. So I start over this side and push to that side and let it blow that way. And I come down, I keep working my way down, blowing out to the right. If you start over this side, in my experience, you end up then pushing a big pile of mulch here, and that's harder to lose. So I always work my way in from that side, blow into nothing. Then I'll spin round and blow it all back the other way then. You'll see what I mean now. Looks a bit of a mess. I smashed it a lot. So what I'll do now, I'll come once more down there, I'll go back up and I'll work my way back this way, blowing it back by here. If you start blowing it all here, you'll have a big pile then, so I won't go down there because it's still thick. It's thick by here. So I'd start taking it away slowly over that way. Don't try to pile it up too much, because you'll have too much then and the mower will struggle. Now that's 2 passes, so I reckon 1 more now, or maybe 2, just by here. What I'll do now again, like I said, don't go this side of it trying to blow it all into a pile, because the mower will struggle. Pick away at it. Go this way now and throw it that way. So I'll keep coming down here now and dig into that. Chuck it over there. pretty much there now. I'm happy enough with that. Just one more bit now in the middle here, up and down here a few times. They said you're going to have it on the floor. And like I said, I had to cut the grass as well, so I'm trying to lose the grass. Would have been actually easier if it was cut more regular. It wasn't. It was quite long. You can see around here. But then I just thought it all mixed in together better. You know what I mean? There we are, guys. I say guys, it could be gals as well. But anyway, I'm happy enough with that. Like I say, because I'm cutting the grass as well, so that's mulched the grass down. That'll just all sink in and just rot down now. It's a fair bit of work. Must have took half hour, at least. But if you just want to get rid of it, you don't want to be bothered dumping the leaves off or bagging them and all that. That's a good way of doing it. So that's my way how to mulch the leaves. Well, that's just showing how to mulch leaves with a mower. Like I said, it could be a 21-inch mower, bigger the better. More times you go over, you're blowing it about. Just keep working your way in, just pulling the leaves away in lines. Don't blow them all onto each other in one big line. So you're left with a thick line later then, or after, and you will not go through that. The mower will struggle, and you just got to clean it up then. So, like I said, we actually had frost last night, so putting a bit of a bed down like this onto the grass, a bit of cover in, will do it good anyway for the winter. I just thought I'd show how you can do it with a mower, mulching the leaves down. Just keep going over. A recycler mower will do it, pretty much the same, to be honest with you. But I like it with a side discharge because it really throws it about then, throws it finer out the side. It's more concentrated in a recycler and it's harder for the mower. At least with a side discharge you can shoot out there quick, not trying to overload the mower like. So there we are. Check out my channel for weekly uploads. Plenty more to follow. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.